I almost fall. At this point, some snow are dangerous, like these ones. It looks like pyramids, almost. Alright. Let's see. Huh? She doesn't know where she wants to go. No, it's right here. No, it's not here. Oh gosh, no. No, it's just someone's house. No, it's not ours. If you want to know that, it's not our house. No way. Our house is not like this. I wonder if it's snow or poop. No, never mind, that's not poop. Alright, let's get the meme ready. Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Stop! Hammer time! I think you know that meme a long time. Well, me, I know. It's been a while since I said that meme. I said that meme before, but I forgot to say it for a long time. Well, back to it. I said stop hammer time another time. So yeah, I did it. I did say, like, stop hammer time. Maybe one last time, whatever. There's so many dogs. Oh, there's so many dogs. So adorable. And this is the park that I've been showing. It's 2024. Now it's the 2025. Look at the little doggy. Oh yeah. Oh god. Oh my god. I mean, you got a visitor. You got a visitor, Doris. Yeah, Doris, you got a lot of visitor. I think the dog like you. Or something like that. Hopefully she doesn't hate you. You're pretty smart and cute. There's no way you get enemies. No way in the entire life. Oh wait. Let's go over there Okay, the secret way exit. Woohoo! Over there. Yeah, this is the secret passage close from our house. This is where I walk. I'm not joking around. Hey. Oh gosh. Oh crap, I forgot my gloves. I swear my hands are cold, but at the same time it's very hot. It's hot because I was too cold, and I'm too cold because there's so many snow. Oi. Hey, slow down a bit. Slow down. It's not a race. Damn it. I'm exhausted. Trust me on this one. This is gonna be a lot of fun when we're done filming. Is happening right now? So many noises that are familiar with. That's funny. I won't say it. I'll be tolerant this time. I'll be tolerant this time. Gosh. I almost said it. Oh. I won't say the F word, but I almost did. I handle it just for you. Just for you guys. Oof, I cannot handle this. Fuck. Whoa. I said it. Okay, this time I promise I won't say it. Because it's burning a lot that I want to cuss so much. Oops. I forgot to close my mouth. Hold your body, fine. Relax. Breathe. I swear my fingers are hurting. They start to be red like ketchup. Mm. Oh, am I turning into a devil or something? Oh, what did I do wrong? Oh, what do I do wrong? How can I handle this shit? Oh, oh, nuts. Ah. Son of a Lucifer. Oh, fuck. Stay here, stay here. Ow, beginning wearing. Wait, how many times I cuss? Because that makes no sense, it's too cold for me. Damn. Oh, god damn it. Alright. I won't show it, but this is my house. Bye.